some processes are changing across the university. The University of Rochester is shifting from its old FRS chart of accounts system to the new Workday FDM, or financial data model. This means a new coding system for the U of R's financial accounts. To accommodate this switch, new forms have been created to facilitate the new processes, such as the banking entry form. This form can be downloaded from the Finance Forms page in Excel or PDF format. It is preferred that you complete the form electronically in Excel. Begin using the new forms after the date listed on this page. The banking entry form is new to the U of R's repository. Once the UR Financials project goes live, the banking entry form will be used by River campus departments that need their deposits posted to UR Financials, but are not making a bank deposit at the River campus bursar's office. In addition, the banking entry form will be used by others that are working directly with Central Finance's cash management team to record their banking activity. A unique banking entry form must be completed for deposits going to a single bank on a single bank date and with a single payment type. If you have multiple deposits to different banks, or posted on different dates, or there are multiple payment types, you will need to fill out a separate banking entry for each. This form is used by any U of R employee, and the banking entry should be completed and forwarded for entry as close to the actual bank deposit date as possible. Do not retain deposits to record all at once at the end of the week or month. Let's look at how to fill out the banking entry form. As you complete the fields, remember that this form records deposits going to only one bank on a single bank date and with a single payment type. First, enter the bank date. This is the date recorded by the bank. If you are unsure of which date to use, estimate when you think it will be recorded by the bank. Do not enter the date you are filling out or submitting this form. Departments do not need to enter information into the header memo field. This field will be used by the RC Bursar office. Next, select the bank account. This will typically be UR concentration. Now, select the payment type. You will only select one type per entry and, depending on which type you used, you will also need to enter some additional information. If you had cash or check picked up from your location for deposit, you also need to enter your location number. This is a unique number that can be found on the bank deposit slip. This is not the internal number located on the U of R's deposit slips. If payment occurred via ACH or wire transfer, then you need to fill in the reference. In this case, guidance can be provided by cash management for completing this field. In instances where you have a returned check, you will need to enter the check number. This can also be provided by cash management. After selecting the payment type, complete the line memo field. This is a description of the transaction at the discretion of the department to easily recognize when posted to the ledger. Enter a maximum of 20 characters when completing this field. Next, you'll enter the company, spend revenue category, and FAO for each account affected by the deposit. These are new fields created from the transition to the Workday FDM. Locate these using the Financial Data Converter on the Tools page. Enter the old FRS code and click Translate. Company is listed here, FAO is listed here, and spend or revenue category is here. Confirm the spend category using the job aid located on the Tools page of the UR Financials website. Then, add all the codes to the form. In some cases, if a spend or revenue category is not appropriate for the deposit, you can enter the ledger account, which is also located on the converter. If you need help using the converter or job aid, refer to the Introduction to Forms video located on the UR Financials website. List the amount being deposited or withdrawn from each account, and the Excel form will total them up. Next, enter your department and intramural address, as well as your name, title, phone number, and the date you are filling out the form. Once you complete the form, save the file in PDF format and email to Cash Management. Or print out the form and submit to the River Campus Bursar's office as appropriate. If you need help completing the banking entry form, contact General Accounting via email. For help with other forms, additional videos are available on the UR Financials website. Thank you for watching this video.